The F-150 has been Ford's top-selling model and company cash cow for decades. Matching its modern aluminum body construction is a slew of advanced engines and high-tech driver assists. The handsome hauler can be outfitted for every job and every personality, with 3 cabin bed styles and numerous appearance packages. Its premier powertrain is a lively twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 producing 375 horsepower and 470 pounds-to-foot of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, it's capable of towing a best-in-class 13,200 pounds. From top to bottom, the iconic F-150 is the most complete and compelling full-size pickup to be found. Period. What's new for 2018? On the surface, the 2018 F-150 is refreshed with new grille designs, bumpers, exterior lighting, tailgates, and wheels. Under the hood is where the most significant updates are. Every F-150 powertrain has auto start technology. This includes an all-new base 3.3-liter V6, replacing the old 3.5-liter version, a second-generation 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6, and a heavily revised 5.0-liter V8 with increased horsepower and torque. A diesel engine will join the party in spring 2018. Apart from the 3.3-liter V6, every engine now pairs with Ford's 10-speed automatic transmission. Several models have revised interiors with new colors, materials, and options. The infotainment system adds optional 4G LTE Wi-Fi connectivity and a high-end Bang & Olufsen audio system. Among the additional active safety assists are adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality and forward collision warning with pedestrian detection. What was new for 2017? The 2017 F-150 lineup had mostly minor changes. The biggest addition was an all-new 10-speed automatic transmission that was previously only available with the twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6. An available SDX appearance package was new, too. The paint color palette added lightning blue, avalanche, and white gold as well. Trims and options we choose. While we've gushed over the Rally Raptor off-road specialist and its predisposition for pure, dumb fun, the practical purchaser will prefer the regular F-150. The well-rounded Ford can be outfitted for every occasion, from a bare-bones workhorse, starting at $28,675, to a luxury limo costing as much as $65,000 for the top-tier limited trim. We think the mid-level Lariat Super Crew with the 6.5-foot cargo bed represents the best combination of versatility and value. The 325-horsepower twin-turbo 2.7-liter V6 is the standard engine, but upgrading to the more powerful 375-horsepower twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 only costs an extra $1,600. That engine is responsive and quick, and it pumps out 470 pounds-to-foot of torque. Adding all-wheel drive isn't necessary for everyone, but the $3,375 option is a must for harsh Michigan winters. Every Lariat has standout standard features such as leather-trimmed front bench with 10-way power-adjustable driver's seat, 8.0-inch Sync 3 touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, proximity key entry with push-button start, dual-zone automatic climate control, heated and cooled front seats. We'd also opt for the Max Trailer Tow Package, $1,295, which adds coolers for engine oil and transmission fluid, an electronic locking rear axle, 3.55 axle ratio, a 36-gallon fuel tank, a trailer backup assist, and more. This setup unlocks the F-150's class-leading maximum tow capacity of 13,200 pounds. In total, our all-wheel drive Lariat Super Crew costs $50,910.